Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today we're going to talk about this full protection for your Lexus TX 350. 350 or 350H, and 2024 and 2025. Both editions and both trims of the 350, these are going to work. And when I'm saying full protection, I'm saying all weather, all conditions, and every single piece of your car, like every section of your car. This is going to come with the 7 pieces that's going to cover the side panels, passenger, driver, seats, and also the trunk right here, which is a special one because you know that this trim, this model actually has the third row. So you're gonna need something that is gonna also cover the seats. So you have everything right here. What we're gonna use today, it's only one, which is gonna be the one in the trunk. Just because this one, I'm not gonna install them yet because I need to do something on the bottom of my Lexus. So I'm not gonna be installing this one yet, but I do want you to take a look at this one. Again, these are all weather, so you're gonna have both. You're gonna have for the back seats, like this one, for example. You can see all weather. These are gonna be rugged. These are gonna be proof of all conditions, so you don't have to deal with anything if it is snowing, if it is raining, if it's mud, if it's hail, if it's whatever, or also kids proof. You're gonna have those ones as well. Also, you're gonna find for the side panels, you're gonna have this one, which also comes with kind of like the adhesive that you can put on the side. So that is another good one. I do like having this part just in case. Although covering the Lexus branding, I don't know, sometimes it can be, I don't like that one too much, but you know, it can happen. And then you also have right here, kind of like for the back seats, you have this one, which is gonna be the big one. I think this is a back seat, right? Yeah. So you're gonna have this one, which are gonna be the big ones. Ahead, you're gonna have a room for the passengers' feet or something like that, and lots of room to, if something is muddy or something like that, you have that kind of like decline to make sure that the water is not getting inside. So you have those one over there, and then you're gonna have the front and passenger front rows, which is they come with the cut for the brakes and the gas, of course, and you also come with the kind of like the holes to make that lock that you need. So you have all these ones, all pieces all together. That was a lot to tell. Again, like all weather conditions, so you're gonna have your full Lexus TX all covered. What we're gonna do now, we're gonna set up this one, which is the one that I'm actually interested in. Which, by the way, if you need any help on installing any of this, which you're not gonna need any help because these are gonna be really easy, you have everything covered over here in these 2 pages, so you won't have any issues installing all 7 or just 1 or 2 or 3. Okay, so check this out. This is almost done, and this is just fantastic because you have the lock right here. You have this one, which you can use, but each one of this one, check this out. It comes with a Velcro. I was not expecting that. So this is gonna kind of like keep its place with the carpet over here on the back of each one of the third row seats. So what you're gonna do is actually you're gonna just put this one, extend it a little bit, and just put it up to the edge. And this section right here is so flexible, so you will have that kind of like slack when you're putting the third row up. These are not gonna be moving. And then you're gonna use this one to put it with the headrest of the actual third row seat, which I think it is really cool just to have it that way. And you can adjust it and make sure that these are gonna be, again, all set up and in place. So I'm gonna finish putting this one right now with the head of the other headrest. I don't know when I'm not going to the other side of the car actually. And yeah, once we're done, this is really cool. Just having all this protected at all times without any issues and making sure that your seats are gonna be in good shape. Then if you have this one, you pop it over, just make sure that you have the, where's the hook? Right here. Right here? No, this is not the place. Okay, we're all set. Set up this one up, and we are done. This is just fantastic. I love it. Probably I'm gonna be putting all the other ones too because this has a really nice way of protecting all the bottom of the seats and all the floor and everything. So, like it, I do recommend it.